Hey everyone, here is the second package that I received from Stephanie. This is for the Candyland swap for Rebecca, Camp Candyland for Rebecca Hoot. So let me go ahead and pull everything out of here. Oh my gosh, she wrapped everything, and you know what is my problem? I didn't wrap a thing, guys. Okay, I'm a little bit of a slacker, apparently. It's my first one, so I didn't know, I guess. But anyway, she sent me, look at all of this. Some little goodies. There's a bell. I don't want to open it because I don't want to lose them. But there's 2 bells. Little popsicles, donuts, popsicle, and this little... And then look at the charm with all the shaker charm in there. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. And then a glassine bag. And I'm going to go ahead and open it carefully because I would like to reuse the bag. And it says Candyland. I'm sorry. And she got me some Reese's socks. Look how cute. Heck yeah, I'm going to wear those. Those are cute. Anyway, look how cute. And then she got me a card. This is from Stephanie. Let's see real quick. And Deborah, hi. I hope you're having a great summer. I hope you enjoy what I've put together for you. I'm so excited to get started with the Candyland camp. I've never participated in one of her camps before. Me neither. So I'm super excited. Me too. Any big plans for the summer? We're having a jam-packed summer. 2 trips, a grad party for our youngest daughter, and a wedding for our oldest son. So excited to be your swap partner. Go create magic. XOXO stuff at Blushing Journal. At Blushing Journal. So I'm going to have to look that up. Let's open this. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a loaded pocket with, oh my god, look. Look how stinking cute. Oh, box of donuts. Oh my goodness, that's going to be so cute in there. And then the little cupcake. Oh, it's a little cupcake tuck spot. And it's a little notepad. Oh my goodness, that is cute. That's going to be great. And look at that doily. Definitely going to use it. Oh, perfect. Look, a CD case pocket with a window. And I can go and add what I want into that. I'm going to make a shaker pocket out of that, possibly. Look at all the Candyland paper. These colors are awesome. Yeah, I don't have a lot of paper, so this is going to be great. And then some more paper. Oh, with the cherries. Cute. And the yellow paper and the pink stripe. Let's go through the 6x6 paper real quick. That is so cute. Precious for that book. Oh my goodness. Those papers are going to be awesome. I'm so excited now. I haven't even started on my Candyland book, and I know that I'm supposed to have it at least put together, but I've worked and all this stuff and just haven't had time. That's okay. That is okay. Look at all those goodies. Thank you, Stephanie. This is just so awesome. And look, Shark Gummies Blue Raspberry. Oh my gosh. Those are cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then these are, let me see what they are. I hate opening things because then I don't want to misplace anything. I know that sounds weird, but I like to keep everything. They're the little Candyland game cards, which I don't have any. Oh my goodness. This is perfect. Perfect. Okay. It did. Okay, she's got some fibers in here. It's going to be rickrack. Guys, bear with me. I apologize for all the sniffling. It's just, I'm having a rough time. I love this little lace bag. I think I'm going to reuse it. For sure. I'm going to close that up. But look at all the rickrack. That's going to be awesome for the... Oh, yeah. That's going to be awesome. I don't have any of that. Oh. Okay. And then here's another. Okay. Bear with me. There we go. Good. I've got another bag that I can use too as well. Close that up, and this has all kinds of candy stickers. These are going to be perfect. Look at them. Okay, I'm truly getting excited for the Candyland, and I've got to get it together. Those are so cute. Everything is just so precious. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love everything. This has just been so much fun today. Opening these packages. It's just so much fun. Okay, guys. Let me know what you think. And I will see if I can find her links. If she has like an Instagram or anything like that. And I will add it to... at Blushing Journals. So I'm going to see if there are any links to her social media. All right, you guys take care. And I hope you join in on making a Candyland journal. You guys have a great week. All right, bye. See you tomorrow.